Hello again. Today I will be talking about how to create transitions and animations in PowerPoint. So let's start with a slide. I want to create a slide on greetings, or how we say hello, or how are you, how to greet people, or how to communicate with people. So I'll say greetings as my topic. And I don't want any subtitle, so I'll just select this. And I will press delete. Okay, so this is my slide, the first slide that I want. In the next slide, I would like to add some images. So I'll go to insert, pictures. I'll use online images. I don't have anything downloaded as of yet. So I'll wait for this to load. And I want to show how a cartoon can greet other cartoons. So I'll write cartoon or animation. Okay. So suppose this guy, or wait, I'll write greetings. Okay, I don't see anything here. So write animation. Suppose I take this. It's downloading. Okay, so this I can delete the second image. Oops, by mistake I deleted both, so I can undo it by doing Control Z. Okay, so I see all my images are back now. What I wanted to do is I wanted to select this image and remove it. So I can do delete, and I can insert another image. So online images, cartoon, and this guy. So I insert it. Okay. So what I want to show in an animated way is how this person, the left person, is greeting the right person, and the greeting says hi. Hi, my name is XYZ. So this can be the words that this person will say while introducing himself to the next person. So I'll put this here. And then I want another thing. So I'll just copy, Control C, Control V, Control and V, paste. And I'll change the font for this. Modern, which font is this? Modern Love, okay. So I'll take this, select all, Control A. So this text is selected. I'll go here, change the font to Modern Love, and keep it at 36 itself. And I want to write, oops, hello, nice meeting you. My name is ABC. And this I want to keep it here. So I want the order in which this entire slide will appear is first this person, and then this is what he says, then this person, and this is what he says. So for this I need to add animations. So if you'll see animations, there are a lot of different types of animations that you can use. For my slide, I would use appear. So you have to go to animations, click on appear. You have to select your numbers, which one will be the first. So this is not what I want to be the first thing. So I'll select the image, click on appear. So now